face mask, I think. Hold on, I have to kill my cat. Be right back. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited because my Sephora box came in the mail. It came in yesterday and it took everything in me not to open it, but for the sake of this video, I didn't open it. I didn't. So this is super exciting for me and I can't wait to cut this open. I'm so excited. Anyways, with that being said, let's get on with the video. Okay, here we go. It'd probably help if I use the right end. Honestly, I might murder my cat by the end of this video because she's driving me insane. Also, since I moved here, I had to find a new place to get my hair done, and I found a place, and I called, and they're getting me in today, and I'm so excited to finally get my hair done because it's disgusting. That's why it looks. Don't mind it. Don't look, okay? Okay. So, let's see what I got. With my Beauty Insider points, like I said, I got some free stuff. Well, not free. I mean, they were worth my points, but same thing. Anyways, I got this Tarte glowgetter and jetsetter discovery set. Looks like this. It has the Drink of H2O hydrating boost, which I've tried and it's amazing. Mermaid Skin H2O serum, 3-in-1 exfoliating cleanser, 4-in-1 setting mist, and water foundation. It has like samples of a foundation, so excited for that. And then I got this little NARS matte lip pencil in the shade Do Me Baby. Okay. And then I also got this little translucent, I don't even know what this is. Doing things with nails is impossible. Are you kidding me? You guys, I ordered this with my points, the Mercier translucent powder. Do you see how small this is? Let me show you the picture online. This is how big I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be the size of like my setting powder, like this big. This is so tiny. It's fine. I was most excited to use that, so. Okay, but this is what I actually bought with it in order to get the free stuff. So, I bought the Huda Beauty concealer that I literally cannot wait to try. I got the shade Coconut Flakes. I hope that's my shade, we'll find out. But it is, when I see people using it, it is full coverage and I can't wait to try it. And then I just got two little, these came actually free. These weren't worth any of my points. I just got them. I got this cold plasma face mask, I think. Hold on, I have to kill my cat. Be right back. Get out. Don't meow at me. You're being bad. She's fine. Okay, so I got that little face mask and then I got the Too Faced Hangover Primer. I got a little sample of it. So everything in here is super small. I didn't expect it to be so small. Everything online looks ginormous. So you can tell that I'm not a frequent online shopper. Beauty Insider. Basically what that means is that you spend too much money at Sephora, if you were wondering. So here's the foundation sample. Oh, it's the Rainforest of the Sea foundation, which is pretty old. I used that like last year or two years ago now. I've used that before. Wow, my coffee's cold. I love it. We're gonna start with this hydrating boost because I know that it's amazing. I smell like a mermaid. I guess just for this video, I will try to use one of these Rainforest of the Sea foundations. I really don't want to, but like I guess I will. I don't think this is gonna be enough for my face. Okay, we'll try this. I can't even pick this up. Here it is in my hand. Okay, cool. Balling on a budget. Okay, so there's that. Okay, now for my favorite part. I'm so excited to use this. Oh my gosh. Here it is. So like this applicator is so different. Okay, here we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. I love this applicator. It's so smooth. It gets so dirty though. I'm gonna like wash it every time I use it. Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I'm in love with this, which is not good for me because that means I'm gonna want to keep buying it. It's fine. Okay, now into this tiny powder, which I thought was gonna be this size. So, not really sure how this is gonna work. Into this very tiny Laura Mercier setting powder. Okay, what? It literally says translucent, and this looks glittery. What the H did I just do? Oh, you guys, no. It says translucent powder, and this is glitter. I have to take it off. That was so upsetting. Oh, now I have to fix my eye with there's nothing left in here. Back to this concealer. Now to my setting powder. I'm just gonna do just a neutral color in the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm just gonna go with this color right here. I look so crusty. Now just a little bit of bronzer, not too much today. In my butter bronzer that I'm not gonna open and show you because it's falling apart. Balling on a budget. I love this concealer. God, it's so pretty. Now under eye. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of eyeliner today. Tattoo liner it is. Okay, now I'm gonna put some blush on using my old friend, the e.l.f. contouring blush and bronzing powder. I don't know why I love this. I'm pretty sure it used to be my mom's and I stole it. Now mascara, the usual, Lash Paradise. When I do my eyelashes, when I edit my videos, I make it super short because literally I beat my eyelashes for probably 4 minutes. So you're welcome. For the sake of this video, I will try this NARS lip pencil. Like I said, in the shade Do Me Baby. I'm nervous. Okay, I like it. I'll keep this on. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little bit of highlight on, and today I'm going to use Physicians Formula. It's the same brand as the butter bronzer that I use, but this is the butter highlighter. I like it a lot. Clearly, I've used it a lot already. and my hair looks great. Wow, okay. So, overall, I am digging everything. This is super cute. I love it. The Rainforest of the Sea foundation, it's good. I really like it, honestly. As for the concealer, you guys, if you have not tried it, I highly recommend, because this is beautiful. I love it. It looks pretty going on. It's satisfying, and it looks good after. Like, this is it's so good. Great formula. I'm obsessed with it. And then what else did I use? Oh, the lip liner. This is cute. Cute color. Love it. And the Tarte, oh, the setting spray. The 4-in-1 setting mist. Let's use this. It smells toxic. I love a good toxic smell. Overall, everything worked super good for me. I really like all of these products I got, and I'm super happy that I bought that concealer. But anyways, this was just kind of a review, first impressions of a few things that I got. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are not already subscribed, and if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.